I'm Max Verstappen. I'm 22 years old. I'm the best driver because I believe that I'm the best. Because every driver needs to think like that, otherwise it's better to stay at home. I'm Sohail VFX. I'm 19 years old. I'm the best editor because I believe that I'm the best. Every editor needs to think like that, otherwise it's better to use CapCut.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been almost a year since I made a tutorial like this. So today we are starting with something really interesting, the voice cloning tutorial. So let's get into it. So here I'm using Fish Audio website. First of all, this isn't any kind of a sponsor. Go to voice cloning option, upload your file. Here I'm using Max Verstappen interview. Tap on analyze audio. It will take some time. After that, you can also rename your voice that you have created. I'm just renaming it here Max. Check the I confirm that I have necessary right to use this voice and tap on create button. Now it's done. You can use this audio for making a unique and creative edits. So this was all for today. See you soon.